Hello guys, so now it's only 1 month remaining for your FMG exam. So in the last 1 month, what you have to do to pass your exam is number one thing is you have to not open any new subjects. Suppose if you have left any of the subjects, don't try to start it now because the time has gone for you. You should not start any new subjects. Then second thing is you have to practice 200 MCQ per day. In that also you have to first of all do the PYQ from 2021 to 2025 from FMG. The reason for doing PYQ is not because the PYQs gets repeated, but the topic of those questions are repeated very often. So how you have to do this MCQ is you have to you have to read the question, you have to understand the pattern of the question, then you answer. If your answer is wrong, then you will read the explanation very thoroughly. Okay, you do not have to open any new book or any new source or anything, just read the explanation and you have to rule out the option. Suppose they have given you four option, 1 2 3 4, and the answer is C. So in the explanation you have to understand why the answer is C, basis on what symptoms or what data the answer is C. Also you have to understand why these three are not the answer, and there is very high chance in the next paper they will change the question and there will be answer among these three. This is the very common practice they do in the FMG. So you should know the explanation of all the three all the four options. Okay, and if you're doing 200 MCQ per day, then you can understand it's like 200 into 30 days, that will be 6,000 question. So 6,000 question is more than enough for you. You do not have to read anything new. You just need to go one question and understand its explanation. So it's 200 MCQ per day. So you can do one thing, you can start with 50, like in the early morning you do 50, then around 11 or 12 o'clock you do 50, then around 4 o'clock you do 50, then around 6 or 7 o'clock you do 50. So it is very much doable. Focus on this subject, which is surgery, medicine, PSM, OB-GYN. So from 300 question, there are question like around 140 to 170 from this subject only. Okay, and there will be question allied to it, so they can give you a medicine plus physiology type of question, surgery plus anatomy kind of question. Then they can give you PSM with medicine, or PSM with surgery, or PSM with OB-GYN. For example, they can give you which tablet to give to a adolescent child for iron deficiency anemia. Okay, you have to read like that. So 140 to 170 will be from this. So in if you do your practice question, you will understand that why these subjects are important. Do not open any new source, or do not open any new main videos or any kind of new notes. Just do it from the PYQs. You will grasp more than enough for this subject also, and read your own notes whichever you have made. Do not try to do anything new. You can use your own notes. How many GTs you have to give? Just give GTs which is 4 in number. Okay, so every week you will give one GT, and do not worry even if you are getting less mark. Your main goal for the GT is what kind of mistakes you are making during your GTs. That is your only goal. And whatever you are marking the wrong answer, you have to analyze why you made this answer wrong. For example, like, have you missed any particular data, or being very overconfident you made a wrong answer? You have to analyze that. This GTs is only for analysis. This does not correlate with your passing or failing of FMG exam. I saw many of my friends who gave GTs and they were getting very less mark, like less than 130, still they passed. And even I saw people who were getting 170, 180, 200 like that in GT, but still they failed. So it's all because of the confidence, and all because of how you analyze the question, the pattern, and how you put out the correct answers. Then what about the random Q banks? You do not have to do any random Q banks. Just focus on the PYQ. If you are done, if the PYQs are less than 6,000 and you are done, then you can do random Q bank, but only of the IMP topics. Only IMP topics. For example, from surgery you can do topic for breast. Suppose if you have finished this, then you can do from ECG. There are questions from this. Suppose if you are done with this, then you can do the PSM from PSM you can do biostats, or you can do from vaccination. this is very repeated topic, so you can do random q bank, but I will suggest do not go for any random q bank. Just focus on the pyqs and master this. If you are getting time, do it twice, because it will help you a lot. The another thing is, you have to do the most IMP topics. Do not go here and there and try to search like what to read and mugging up unnecessary thing. Try to do only most IMP topics. In the last month, you just need to you have to sharpen all the knowledge which you have. You do not need to gather more, but you just need to sharpen, and you have to revise again and again. So that is the key. What about the subjects left? Suppose if some subjects are left, for example optha, suppose it's you have not done ENT, suppose you have not done radio. Okay, so don't worry. On YouTube, just go and you can find 1 hour video only. 1 hour videos. Okay, in 1 hour they will do entire subject. You no need to open this subject and you are doing main videos or some kind of 6 hour 7 hour videos. No need to do that. Just do the 1 hour video in which there is a very high yield. For example, in LRR. Okay, in LRR it is like 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes only. So this is enough. You can do this, but no need to open this subject like you are starting studying and you will take 7 to 8 days to finish one subject. No need to do that. Just 1 hour video is enough. You gather as much as needed, but do not over consume the time in this. At last, all it needs is your confidence. Have confidence and you will pass.